Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Susanti and my team Sucianti and Yogi Andilestari from Al Irsyad Cilacap University, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I would like to present our research result, the purpose, my presentation, contraceptive use and related factor in women living with HIV/AIDS. Research background. HIV/AIDS infection is still global health problem, including in Indonesia. The World Health Organization report that 36.7 million people worldwide are living with HIV. 2.1 million people are newly infected each year, and 1.1 million people die from AIDS-related disease. The risk rate of pregnancy in women living with HIV in Africa is 16.7 women annual and 17% of these pregnancy are unplanned pregnancies. In couples, one of whom is diagnosed with HIV, generally the partner is aimed not to have sex without a condom. The choice of contraception for women with HIV/AIDS infection needs to be identified and explanation given for the choice of contraception that is significantly different from that our women who do not have HIV. Women with HIV positive, in addition to using contraception to prevent unwanted pregnancies, they also need to use double protection so as not to infect their partners. Next slide. Research method using correlative descriptive to know the relationship between the variable of mother attitude, condom use habit husband, HIV status, and husband age with the variable of using contraceptive. Analysis using Fisher-Exact test and sample size 20 respondent women with HIV/AIDS. Next slide. Research result. Number 1, the relationship between mother attitude and the use of contraception women with HIV/AIDS. We can see the data in the table, the result of the study of women who had a good attitude on the use of one contraception were 78.67% and the use of double protection 100%. Based on the result of the Fisher-Exact test analysis, there is no relationship between the mother attitude about its HIV/AIDS transmission and the choice of contraceptive method between with a value of 1.0. The majority of the woman attitude are good, possibly due to the influence of peer support cadres who always routine provide assistance in treatment and care, including information on the use of contraception. Reinforced by research, the confirmed by a study of 168 women, 84% having a positive attitude towards using contraceptive method now or later in their lives. The main reason for using a contraceptive method is if pregnancy can worsen the infection. Number 2, the relationship between the habit of using condom with the use of contraceptive in women with HIV/AIDS. We can see in the table, based on data from 20 female respondents with HIV/AIDS, there were AIDS according to their HIV/AIDS status. and there was one partner who did not use a condom. Women who only use one contraception condom are 92.30% of the 13 respondents, while in the use of double protection from 6 respondents. 100 use condom in addition to other contraceptive. The result of the Fisher-Exact test analysis show that there was no relationship between the habit of using condom in respondent. The possibility the woman and their partner had known the importance of using condom to prevent HIV/AIDS transmission with a value of 0.061. In couple, one of whom was diagnosed with HIV, generally the partner was emphasized not to have sex with a condom. Even if you have unprotected sex in attempt to conceive, there is still a risk of transmission to partner who are not infected with HIV. Next. Number 3, relationship between husband HIV status and use of contraceptive in women with HIV/AIDS. Based on the result on the study from 20 respondents, there were 8 husbands with positive HIV/AIDS status. And the source of transmission from the first husband was 80 people, and who used double protection contraception on many as 3 couples. In addition to using condom only for couples, and those use intrauterine device 1%. The result of the Fisher-Exact test analysis show no relationship between husband HIV status and the use of contraceptive with a p-value of 0.6042. And the last number 4, the relationship between husband X for using contraceptive in women with HIV/AIDS. We can see the table. Based on the result is study, the majority of husband X more than 25 years, but use on one contraceptive or double protection, and also had more than one child. And the result of Fisher-Exact test analysis show no relationship between husband X and use of contraception with a p-value of 0.700. There is no significant relationship between the X difference between the partner and the use of contraception. These findings are important for future research on the relationship of marital concern about HIV/AIDS with contraceptive behavior, especially condom use, and for informing HIV prevention strategies in marriage. Conclusion in my research: number 1, there is no relationship between mother attitude, habit, using condom, husband HIV status, and husband X with the use of contraceptive with p-value more than 0.005. Counseling of the choice of a double protection contraceptive method for one partner who is HIV positive, and there are intensive efforts to increase the utilization of health service. Healthcare provider responsible for the delivery of HIV care should also integrate family planning service into HIV care during follow-up visit. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.